Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name's Tarynne for Ambrosi Design. Today I'm doing an unboxing video for a local Brisbane company called Millie. They specialise in furniture paints, so they do mineral paints and Suffuse paints, which is a combination of I think it's clay and something or other, but I'll check on the bottles. I recently purchased one of the Suffuse paints to see what it was like, and I ended up using it on the cabinet here behind me. So this cabinet, I really loved how the paint turned out, so the finish of the paint. I've used that on the black, and I'll just show you quickly. So even if I do that, you can see the sheen of the paint is just so beautiful. It's almost like a sort of shiny yet matte mirror, and I haven't used it on the inside of the cabinet. Oh yes, I have actually, I tell a lie. So I've used it on the walls inside the cabinet and on the floor of the cabinet, and the rest I've used Dixie Belle. But this is an unboxing for Millie. So without further ado, let's have a look and see what I've received from Millie. I'm very, very excited. Okay, so I have a new pair of danger scissors here, so I shall carefully open the box. If not a little haphazard. Okay, so Millie. Wow, okay. Oh, already I'm just so struck by how beautiful these colors are. So I've basically bought colors that I can mix or add, black or white to them to, make my own sort of Franken colors. Now I bought so these are the mineral paints, and I ended up getting, what's this? Immy Shimmy. And that's obviously it's a beautiful yellow. Really beautiful color. And I've bought, what have we got here? Ruby's Love. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that is just a real danger red. I love it. Okay. And I can see there is some, so you can see that this is a handmade product. So shake that up when I use it. Isn't that wonderful? Ah, love handmade products. And we have pine trees. I could not go past this green when I saw it on the website. Now I will link the website below for Millie. They're a local Queensland company. So if you're in Australia, definitely do give them a try. It's very affordable paint, and it's absolutely stunning. It's just so beautiful. I'm so impressed with the formula of the paints and how it finishes. And look at that. I love using dark green on furniture. I find, and I'll post a few examples of my dark green furniture here. And so you can see that I use this color quite often. And I also love making princess furniture. So I never had princess furniture growing up, so of course what do you do as an adult? You create all the things that you never had when you were a kid. So I love making really beautiful, pretty pink, over the top princess furniture, and this color hibiscus is in the Suffuse line, and I already know that this is just going to be perfect, absolutely perfect. So I can't wait to use this color. And we have suede. So this is I guess it's like a dark blue or maybe even a light navy. It's deeper than a Prussian blue. Oh, it's not as deep as a Prussian blue. I am curious to see how this dries. Blue is one of those colors that I love using on furniture as well. Usually I'll sort of steer towards more of that sort of duck egg blue, and I know that I can create a really gorgeous, gorgeous colors from this, even using this by itself as the base color. This is going to be quite a versatile paint. So all of these paints will be versatile, but I'm looking forward to seeing what I can do with that blue. Now, the last of my order is the staples. So we've got black and white. So this is the noir paint that I showed you on the cabinet before. I find that this, it's not a true black. It's a very, very deep charcoal, but you could get away with calling it a black if you needed to. But if you really need a black, this is not the one. That being said, the finish on this, and if you were to use a wax over the top of it, it'd bring it right down to a proper black. But if you're just leaving it as is, you're looking at a very, very, very deep charcoal. So I'll go back to the picture of the cabinet, and you can see that it basically is black, but it's a soft black. And I've got little lamb here, and of course white, black and white. You can do everything with the primaries and black and white. So I got 2 of each of these because I just know that I'll use them. I don't usually paint furniture white. I find that it's a very difficult, so painting something just black or just white is very difficult. It shows up everything. White, it will show up everything, will sort of stain through it, and black shows up every mark, every blemish, every mark, every scuff. So you have to be on your A game to use black or white proper. That being said, absolutely gorgeous to mix it up. So even if you wanted to create like a really super pale pink, like a real baby pink, that would be gorgeous. So that's it. That's my Carts and Millie unboxing. I'm so looking forward to using all of these paints. I've been chomping at the bit to get them. So I will possibly do a few videos in the future just showing how I use the paints, particularly these Suffuse paints. So once again, I'll link everything below. Do have a look at the website. There's more than paint on that website, so cartsandmillie.com.au, and I shall see you in the near future. Thank you.